Court Uncut, what the people want.
Michigan versus Alyssa Deloach, file 24-43182-SM. I do see Ms. Deloach is with us. Ms. Deloach, I believe that we adjourned probation violation hearing last time on November the 6th in order to allow you some time to complete your probationary terms. How have you done with that?
They're completed.
All right, I do have a community service sheet list that it appears that you dropped off late yesterday, indicating that you got 21 hours completed at the Traverse City Women's Resource Center. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, and I do also have a certificate of completion of the theft awareness program that you completed on November the 6th. Is that also correct?
Yes.
I believe that the third thing that you were supposed to do was make a payment towards your balance on your fines and costs. Did you do that?
Yes, I did this morning.
All right, Ms. Hill, can you confirm that?
She made a $50 payment this morning.
Thought there was supposed to be a $100 payment.
My check was $324. $50 is what I could afford. I did call when I called the courthouse this morning to make my payment. I asked to set up a payment arrangement for $50 every 2 weeks because I just started working today. They transferred me to Natasha. She did not answer the call. I emailed her and requested to set up a $50 payment, and she said that is your decision.
You understand that this morning is kind of like calling before noon at 11:59 and 59 seconds?
Correct, but also we had Veterans Day, which closed the bank, which pushed my paycheck back a day. I didn't even know what my paycheck was going to be until it came in this morning. As soon as I woke up, got paid, I called the courthouse at 8 a.m. Actually, I called at 8:13 this morning. I can't do anything when the bank is closed today and it pushes my paycheck back a day.
What you can do is budget so that you're not wondering what your paycheck is going to be. You know what's going to be there.
I also had...
Ma'am, let me finish. And you have planned for making your payments before the day that they're due. That's adulting. Do you have something else that you want to say?
I can't control when the bank closes for a day. I agreed to have my payment paid on Wednesday because that is my payday. The bank was closed today, which pushed my paycheck back today. I can't control that. As soon as my paycheck came, I made my payment.
How long have you known that the payment was due today?
Since we spoke last week. However, again, I can't control when a bank is closed. I didn't have any money until payday. I borrowed money to get my retail fraud class done. That was $105. I couldn't borrow any more money from my mom.
Why is it that it's going to take you 20 weeks at $50 a week to pay off your fines and costs when you've already been on probation for so long?
Because I was not responsible during probation.
So in order to make up for that, why should we receive the minimum amount of $50? Why should we have to wait for that?
Because that's what I can afford. I had lost my job and I just started working again today. As of right now, that's what I can afford.
Do you have a credit card?
No.
Do you have the ability to go to a bank and get a loan?
Nope, my credit is shot.
Where are you working now?
I am back at Auto Wares, but a different location.
Is that in Traverse City?
Yes.
How many hours a week are you working there?
36.
What stops you from getting a second job?
Nothing, but either way, as of right now, $50 is all I can make. I can get a second job, but until I get a second job, $50 is what I have.
All right. How badly do you want to be off probation?
Really bad. That's why I made sure I had everything done within a week.
Well, you didn't do everything within a week. You didn't pay your $100.
I'll hand, as soon as court's done, I'll call and pay the last $50 I have to my name and have that $100 payment done. I had to pay my mom back $130 from what she loaned me for the retail fraud class. I had to make $50. I had to put gas in my vehicle so I could make it to work. And I have 60 something dollars to my name, but I will pay that $50. So that way I can get off probation and everything that was supposed to be done will be done.
So you're telling me that you needed to pay your mom back instead of the court?
Yeah, because I'm not going to let my mom not have electricity, not have heat. She sent me money from her bill money so that way I could get it done so I didn't go to jail. So yes, I did have to pay my mother back. It's not her responsibility, it's my responsibility.
All right. Well, you haven't met your responsibility here.
I have met my responsibility. I did my retail fraud class the day we got off, the day that I had court. I called my mom and asked her to send me the money. I got it done that day. I got my
Deloach,
service completely finished.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you. Are you finished yet?
Yeah.
Good. I gave you an extra week because you said that you would do 3 things. You've done 2.5. You've not done 3. The recommendation was that you serve 35 days in jail. Why are you arguing with me?
Because I don't have $100. I paid what I had.
You just told me that you could pay an extra $50 if I was going to put you in jail.
Yeah, if I had to. $50 is all I have to my name until I
You
get a
had
paycheck
to. That
week.
was the whole point. The whole point of giving you an extra week was that you had to. It was not a suggestion.
Then I will call the court and pay $50.
Thank you. Was that so difficult?
No.
You have till the end of the day to get that $50 here. Otherwise, I'm issuing an order that you go to jail for 35 days because I've already given you all the grace that you're going to get. If the money is not in the courthouse by the end of business today, the order will issue. Thank you. That's all for today.
You can now become a member of Court Uncut, where you get early access to videos, exclusive member-only content, a Court Uncut badge, and more. Thank you for all your support. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.